Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox my package that I got from Hollister. It was pants are the same ones that I got, carpenter pants. They're just in black. They're in black and they're super baggy. Ooh. This is what they're taking. So this y'all can get information on this stuff. There's no, it's right here. There's some regular old black pants. No black pants that I got. This is what they look like. Yeah. They're super high-waisted. Not super baggy. That's how I like my pants to be. Super baggy. Look what they look like. Super baggy. I like put this on like a separate hanger. Why? I just want to. That's all. That's what it is. There you go. That. So we'll go on my YouTube channel. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Just don't worry about none of this stuff. Just don't worry about that. Alright, I may not do another video tomorrow. No. Hope you guys have a good Christmas. And yeah. Hope every Christmas is going good. Everybody have a happy New Year's too, so yeah. And we'll just have to goodbye now. Bye.